channel. I literally just woke up, right, brushed my teeth, washed my face and everything, and I was like, let me make a video of a transformation video from this to the end, you know. So this is how my face looked or when I just woke up. Like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and please turn on my post notification for a next video every single Sunday, if not Monday. But yeah, alright, enjoy. I always like to prep my face first. Just use this Clinique Dramatic Different Moisturizing Gel. It helps for people who have like oily skin. I'm gonna spray my face with a clarifying tea mist face mist. I'm gonna let that like sit and dry down, and then I'll put in some translucent powder so my makeup could stay longer. Good little tip if you guys are going out and you know you're going out for like a really long time and you have oily skin. Translucent powder first, or setting powder first, and then your normal makeup routine. That helps the oils like lock in and it won't, like, you know, go through your makeup, smear through your mask and everything. So yeah. So that's done. Now let's get into the face. This look I'm going for is a inspiration from on Twitter, I believe. I'll, you know, do a little picture right there. So I'm going in with the Morphe Dip Brow. Yes, it's a brow cream in the shade Latte. Alright, so I'm done with the brows. How look? It's alright. I'm just gonna set it down with my Essence Brow Lash and Brow. To clean up my brows, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural, and for like the bottom, and now for the top I use like a foundation shade, which is my shade, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 228 Soft Tame. So now for the lid, I'm gonna go in with the LA Pro Concealer in Porcelain. Now for this concealer, I'm gonna set it in with my translucent powder, because with this concealer it tends to crack. So for the eye look, it doesn't look like it's like a cut crease, it's like there. I'm not a cut crease, it's obviously a cut crease, but like it doesn't look like it's like, you know, winged out. So I'm gonna go do that. So for our eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna go in with this, the BH Cosmetic Ultimate Matte and 42 shade. This is how the inside looks like. It's really pretty, all matte shade. It's like perfect for like basically all your good everyday neutral color. You know, you have this, you know what I mean. But anyways, yes, so this is how all my brushes are set in, like in this little thingy, because you know I don't want dust in my brushes. There's this one I've seen on AliExpress and also on Amazon, and it's a little pricey to me. Like AliExpress, like, I mean I would buy it, but like I don't like to wait, and then AliExpress is like 20 bucks. So it's basically like this, and then it has a lid to like cover. It's like $20. I'm like, girl, you can have that, you can keep it. I decided to go with this. It's only $4 at Walmart, but I should have bought like a longer one. I decided to buy a short one. Girl, I'm so dumb. For the base, I'm gonna go in with a light brown shade. Okay, something like that. And then now we're gonna go in like a darker shade. So basically we're going from light, dark, darker to darkest, you know, like that. Let's go in with this. It's like, okay, so this is black and this right here is like a gray but dark gray, so I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm gonna go in with the black. Clean it off real quick, and then we're just gonna go in with like a brown. Just gonna go back with the black to bring out the black just a little bit. And I'm just gonna blend just a little bit more on the top. Alright, now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm going to focus on the top because at the bottom by my lash line I'm gonna make a black liner. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic liner in black. So I'm just gonna like not make a wing but like just a line. I set it with a black eyeshadow. So yeah, this is the eye look. And then I'm just gonna do my face, but I think I'm gonna skip that because I think, you know, that's kind of basic, you know. So now for the lip part, the shade of red that she has is like a really more of like a dark kind of red. It's like a rusty red kind of color. It's from Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick Rouge. The shade is Froza, something like that. It's like this. That's kind of close enough. Alright, now let me go get my lashes and we'll be set. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I add a little gloss because that lipstick is matte, so I add a gloss. So here it is. What do you guys think? It's cute, it's cute. For my bottom I added like a black eyeshadow liner, and then for the lashes, it's my lashes. I do sell lashes, so if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave like the link down below. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoy and really like this video. I hope you guys learn a little something on the side. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for more videos every Sunday, if not Monday. And I hope you guys have a really nice day. Bye.